Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Google Chrome browser is blocking a website and showing the CERT date invalid error, it means the browser's security check has failed because the website's SSL certificate dates do not match your computer's internal clock. I will show you exactly how to sync your security protocols and bypass this block right now. Let's get started. First, the absolute most common reason for this error is that your computer's date and time have fallen slightly out of sync with the global internet servers. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. To quickly jump to the exact settings page we need, type or copy and paste the following command: ms-settings:"date and time." Hit Enter and the Date and Time Settings window will instantly open. Ensure the toggle switch for Set Time Automatically is turned completely on. If it is already on, toggle it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Then, scroll down slightly and click the Sync Now button to force a fresh ping to the Microsoft Time servers, ensuring your internal clock perfectly matches the website's security time frame. Next, if your time is perfectly correct, but Chrome is still blocking the site, your Windows operating system might be holding on to a corrupted, outdated security cache. Press the Windows key plus R again to open the Run dialog box. To directly open the Legacy Internet Properties window where this cache is stored, type in this exact command: inetcpl.cpl. Press Enter to open the Internet Properties window. Click on the Content tab located at the very top. From here, click the button that says Clear SSL State. You will see a small confirmation box pop up, letting you know the cache was successfully cleared. Click OK to apply the changes, close your browser completely, and reopen Chrome to fetch a brand new security certificate. Finally, if the website certificate is actually expired on their end, but you absolutely must access the page, there is a hidden developer bypass built directly into Google Chrome. When you are staring at the error page that says your connection is not private, simply click anywhere on the blank background of the web page. Do not click the address bar or any buttons, just click the empty space. Then, carefully type this exact phrase directly on your keyboard. This is unsafe. You will not see the letters appear on the screen as you type, but the moment you finish the final letter, Chrome will instantly bypass the strict security block and force the web page to load. Please remember to only use this trick on websites you completely trust. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.